Squidward and SpongeBob, we have a new employee coming in today.
Yay! Are you excited, Squidward?
Sure, SpongeBob. Hopefully he doesn't mess with me anymore.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Mickey Mouse, and it's so much pleasure to be here at the Krusty Krab.
What are you supposed to be, a mouse?
Hey, Squidward!